Do you need another key for your Ford vehicle? I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I want to show you how easy it is to make a spare key fob without leaving your driveway. Simply come to our website, find your vehicle, place your order. We'll send you a programming device and a spare key fob, or 2 or 3, however many you need. The key by photo technology is really cool. It makes it so your key blade will arrive cut, all ready to fit your vehicle. To prepare for programming, we got a programmer. We've got our existing working key. This one's got the tile key finder. So you paired your smartphone, you can always find your keys. And here's the new spare key we're going to program. The original one is an OEM. This one's an aftermarket. Works just as great. Saves a bunch of money in the process. I'm going to fire up the app. I'm coming to key pairing. Scan the QR code. There's a help QR code. We want the QR code with the serial number. There we go. Tells us a few things we need. We need to be connected to the internet, have all working keys, our tool, and gives us a warning that if you've got aftermarket alarms or other aftermarket systems on your vehicle, it may cause some trouble. So use with caution and know there may be problems if you've got aftermarket systems. Okay, this is a Ford Focus. So here we are, 2015 through 2018. Now I will note the app will continue to improve over time. So the demonstration today, you may find some slight differences as depending on when you do your programming. So this is a smart key we're working on. Push button start, and it tells us to find the OBD port. Come down near the gas and brake pedal, look around. Often the OBD cable port is up here. On this Ford Focus, there's a little cover for it though. And plug this guy in, and away it goes. If you want to make your life a little bit easier, grab one of these extension cables, and then you'll be able to see what's going on with the programmer while you're working. We got this guy plugged in. It's got a green light, meaning it has power. We're going to have to get it paired. Popped up a couple of these, matching the serial number. There we go, pairing request, okay. Now when this first pairs to the programmer, there you got a blue light, it turned back green. We may see this turn red as it checks for a firmware update. There. Notice the light on the programmer turned red. Give it a minute or two while it updates the firmware. Okay, there we go. Update successful. We should see this thing make the Bluetooth connection again. There. It's reconnected. All right. Okay, here we go. Turn the ignition on within 30 seconds. The lights are blinking on the dashboard. The light's turned on, but the vehicle is not actually running. Now it tells me to bring the original key into the vehicle. So I'm going to set my new key outside the vehicle. And now the only key in the vehicle is the original working one. Okay, it tells me to start the engine, so I'm going to press the brake. Fire up the engine. Okay, communicating with the vehicle. All right, turn off the ignition. Engine is off. Turn on the ignition without depressing the brake pedal. Next, all right. Key pairing may last 10 to 15 minutes. Does not erase existing keys. So we're going to make one new key today. You can make, as it says, up to 4 keys for the vehicle. That includes any existing ones that you have or that may be existing out in the world. During this 10-minute wait, I want to point out it's important to turn off anything that's using battery power in the vehicle. Don't have the air conditioner, the heater running. Turn off the lights. This is using some vehicle battery, and we just don't want it to drain in the middle of programming. All right, it says it's configuring the system. Please wait. There we go. 2 working keys. Put the smart key to be paired into the center console. And I'm going to set it right in here on this sensor. Okay, there we go. Pairing complete. Wasn't that awesome? 3 working keys now. Let's check this thing out. Tells us we're done. Let's unplug the programmer. To test the key, we want to get all keys out of the vehicle. Try to start it. No key detected. So let's bring back that new key. Here's my new key. Start the engine. Boom! Look at that. Fired up. We got a spare key. Let's Get the other one. Here's the original key. It still starts up the engine just great. Excellent. Let's check the remote start on our new one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Can you believe how easy that was? This is awesome. Now for the magic of our Key by Photo service. Be sure you add our optional Key by Photo key cutting service. Simply add it to your key, complete checkout, and then you're going to upload 3 photos of your existing key. Be sure your key blade is set flat and put your phone directly above it. Upload those to our website after you complete checkout, and we'll cut your new key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It's pretty amazing. Just like that, with the help of Tom's Key Company, we've made a spare key fob for this 2018 Ford Focus. So be sure you visit tomskey.com where you can find your vehicle and place your order today. We cover thousands and thousands of vehicles, and we're working to add more vehicles every day. At Tom's Key Company, we provide excellent customer service. We aim to help you get your key working. But if for some reason we can't get it working, no worries. Send it all back for a full refund. Be sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this video so you can find your way again to follow along as you program a key for your Ford or whatever vehicle you've got. Be sure you leave a comment down below to let other people know about your experience with Tom's Key Company, how easy it was to make a key fob, or how much money you saved over the cost the rip-off car dealership tried to charge you. Be sure you check out my undercover video at the Ford dealership to see how much money they charge for a key fob and what happens while it's sitting at their lot.